Being on set, what lessons can you take from being on set to apply to your life?
I mean, you got to be patient. You know what I mean? They got to shoot you 3 or 4 times, 5 or 6 times from different angles. You got to be able to talk to the camera. You got to make sure everything right, but you got to be patient.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? Because you want to get it right. Because it's on a big screen, you be shown all over the world. So you know what I mean? You want to make sure it's all the way right.
Okay, I will ask you what are you wearing, but I'm gonna ask you what are you wearing because you smell so
Nah, it
good.
smells so good. Thank you, man. You know what I mean? I got a little bit of baccarat on. My fit is a coup. Of course, one of my partners with a coup. You know, I keep my Jordan brand on because that's
Of
one of my
course, of
partners too.
course.
You know what I'm saying? I got to have that.
All right, so I can't wait to go in there and see you guys on the big screen.
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
All right.
All right.